What is the nature of service, sir? Any service. What they are trying to say, na? Any person located in non-taxable territory is providing services to any person in taxable territory. Any person. That means import of service nor a simple coming under RCM. But there is an exception. What is the exception? NTOR. Exception is NTOR. That means in case of NTOR, RCM is not applicable. That means FCM. Who is an NTOR? NTOR is nothing but who is unregistered as well as taking OIDR services. Am I clear? I will just check your understanding with the help of a question. Let us see the question straight away. Okay. Now, example number 42 43. Okay, 42 is done here. 43. Mr. Captain America from USA. Okay, he is providing various services to various people here. Okay, to Mr. Krish of India, Mr. Nibba of India, Vivard Private Limited of India, Greater Chennai Corporation of India. Clear? Now, please understand, sir, Mr. Captain America is providing first service to Mr. Krish. What is the service? Na? See, first Krish is a sole proprietor registered under GST. What is the service we are providing? Supply of mask designing services. Captain America already has a mask, so he is giving the guidance to Mr. Krish how to design the mask, all that. So he is providing some advisory services related to that. RCMA, FCMA. First of all, understand, any person located in non-taxable territory to a person in taxable territory, straight away RCM except NTOR. Now what I will check, what is the meaning of NTOR? For me, two conditions are simple. Unregistered OIDR service. Here, registered fellow, he cannot satisfy the condition. Correct? Two conditions. NTOR means two conditions. You should be registered, unregistered and getting OIDR services. What I am telling is this fellow is registered. That means he will not become NTOR for sure. Only for NTOR FCM. Remaining every case RCM. So that means this case what? RCM. That is what I was telling to tell. Okay. It is RCM. Correct, everybody? You tell me here. Mr. Nibba taking this online gaming, not money gaming. PUBG ra. Then RCM, FCM. He is unregistered, obvious. He is unregistered. What notice is importing service nora? Both are outside India, va? You tell me RCM or FCM, that's all. You read RCM entry no just now? First of all, he will get something with consideration. Playing PUBG is not supply. While playing PUBG, he will buy costume. He will buy some weapons. Yes or no? For consideration. Importation of service for consideration. Whether or not in the course or furtherance of business is a supply. Yes or no? 7.1b. Correct? So this is supply. No doubt about whether it is supply or not. And it is taxable also. There is no exemption. Okay. But who will pay GST? You read Nora entry now what it says. This fellow is NTOR. Easy unregistered. Easy getting OIDR service. Then he is NTOR. That means RCM will come or FCM will come. FCM will come. PUBG company should take registration and pay GST. In registration chapter we will be seeing this. Those are providing OIDR services to NTOR in India. You should obtain registration and pay GST. Take a representative in India, use his documents, apply for registration, and that fellow will be liable to pay GST. You should follow that procedure. That means you are located somewhere outside India, in China and all, and you provide online gaming services etc. to our Indians. You make money. What about Indian government? You should pay taxes, pa. That is there, okay. So FCM, that sir, I will not pay, sir. What you will do? We will ban your app, ra. Simple. You don't know about us. No, we will study all those things in registration chapter. That particular application will be banned. Shall we proceed? Right, that is what the point. Shall I continue? Right now, so that provision is there, so we will see in registration chapter. Don't worry, just because you don't have that clients, you have not got exposed, that's all exposure. So that is there. So it is FCM. Shall we continue? Now, same Captain America is providing some cloud storage services to Vivar Private Limited, registered under GST. Is that NTOR? Because registered under GST, straight away eliminated. My repeat, concept is simple. If you are an NTOR, FCM, otherwise RCM if you import any service. Clear? Now the point is, sir, if I am an NTOR, it is straight away FCM. But to be called as NTOR, what you should do? You should be unregistered and you should be obtaining OIDR services. Any one condition violated, you are not an NTOR. That means straight away RCM. Am I clear? Now, so tell me here, this fellow is NTOR? No, because registered. So RCM or FCM? Straight away RCM. Next, same Captain America is providing some advisory services to Greater Chennai Corporation, which is registered under GST for the purpose of section 51. Okay, and getting advisory services regarding security of the city, how to keep your city safe. RCM or FCM? RCM or FCM? Why RCM, bro? It is not a OIDR service, no. Giving advice to Greater Chennai Corporation, he doesn't need information. He is not purely dependent on information technology. It is just an advisory service. Are you understanding the point? So both the conditions, that is why I gave this example carefully. Why? Because some cases you will focus only, so long we have been focusing on the registration, because everywhere it is OIDR. Now you are focusing only on registration, not on the OIDR. Both the conditions are to be satisfied. Am I clear? Shall I continue? Clear? Here next, online cyber security firewall services will come. Okay. Right. So the point is, no, you understood this point. So you should be both unregistered as well as, first of all, for the purpose of GST, Greater Chennai Corporation will be treated as what? Shall be treated as unregistered person. So unregistered for sure, but here this is not OIDR, so obviously it is what, ma? RCM. This is OIDR. Now see, same Captain America is providing some online services with respect to cyber security firewall of that, maybe their website or etc. the services, the applications, what they are providing, all that. Okay, then in such case, ma, FCM. Am I clear? Shall we proceed? Right. So wherever the situation is FCM, yes, the supplier has to take registration in India. Further the procedure etc. we'll discuss later. Shall we continue? Right. So that is what the concept. So this is all about example 43 and our RCM entries.